Hello everybody, and welcome to the second tutorial for IH Campus. Today we're going to be looking at bookmarking. We bookmark things because we want an easy way for our students to be able to get to the activities you want them to do. So very straightforward. Start off as usual, www.ihworld.com/campus. Excellent. Okay, we're on the regular page as normal. You know the button to press, the one that says go to IH Campus. Okay. For today's purposes, I'm going to be Chris. So surname dot first name, and then of course your password. Very important. Wonderful. Brilliant. Okay, here we are. Right, we have My Campus. We have the classes over here on the left-hand side. The most important part, we also have, of course, the work area. Ignore most of those for now. Look at the search area and the courses. Okay, you have actually got in your possession course maps. These are a very quick guide on how to find relevant activities for each unit. So what we're going to do is we are actually going to use one of these. So start off, go into a word and phrase search, click on there. So if you look on the guide, you will see some codes. This is one I took out. This is from Cutting Edge Starter. So this would be ideal for one of the Cutting Edge Starter classes. Okay, there's the code. We'll click on search. Wonderful. And we know this is a vocabulary activity. Practices languages and countries. You select the correct language spoken in each country to complete the sentences. That's simple. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to bookmark this for our classes. So click on the little pin here, which is to bookmark. Wonderful. The title is called What Languages Do They Speak? The category, Cutting Edge Starter. Okay. If the book isn't named, then you have to click on New Category and just type the name of the book. So this one is for Cutting Edge Starter. Then we click on Done. Wonderful. So now we know this is bookmarked. Okay, that's the first part done. The second part we need to do is we need to actually get that bookmark to our students. Okay, so we need to go down and click on here where it says bookmarks. Very simple stuff, isn't it? Good. Give it a moment. Here we go. Right, so what we were doing, this is the one we liked. Here we are. What languages do they speak? That's the one we want to set. Okay, so go up here and we click Publish Bookmark. Wonderful. Give it a label. Give it a label of something that is logical. Okay, so what we want to call it is, we can call it Cutting Edge Starter. And then we need a code, so we will use a code, for example, the page number. So page, I don't know what it is off the top of my head, page 34. Okay, I will delete this in a minute, so don't worry. Okay, so that will be the label. Then we could say, we know it's for what languages do they speak. Very good. Okay, bookmarks here. Right. Important part, we need to insert the bookmark. So if we click on edit, and it will bring up a list of all of the bookmarks that Chris has actually done. Here we are, it's down the bottom. What languages do they speak? Tick the little tick box and click on done. Very good. Choose a publish date. You could be really clever and set some homeworks in advance. So say for example we wanted this to work, I don't know, their class is on Monday and Thursday, but they won't have covered the language until the Thursday. We can actually set it to be active as of the Thursday. Then we want information if viewed. Yes, very important. We want to know if our students are actually looking at the work. So make sure that's ticked yes. Allow users to delete the package. No. leave that as no. And then we need to choose which classes do we actually want to set the work for. So we click on the edit button, and we know it's going to be for the absolute beginners. So here we are, L1A, we want it for them, and of course the other class. So now it's set for 2 classes, okay? We do not want to set it for this class because of course it'll be too easy and it's not from their book. Simple. So once they have been ticked, click on the done button. Very good. So now we have the classes over here with 26 users, 2 classes. The bookmark, we know which activity it's linked with, and finally we click on send. Very good. We want to send this bookmark to 2 classes and 26 users. Do we want to proceed? Of course we do. So we click on send. Lovely. And then, very, very good. We've actually now published that bookmark to our students. Simple as that. And here is the wonderful activity that we've actually sent to our students. Okay. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.